welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today we're going to be making something crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and so delicious. It's my crunchy crab cakes. So I'm making these crab cakes because one, it's so hot outside and I do not feel like turning on the oven for anything, right? And also two, it is football season and I want to have something that I can prepare quick and easy so I can sit down and watch the game. All right, so let me show you how I put those together. First, we're going to start off with a 14-ounce can of hearts of palm, and I just drained off the liquid of those, and then we're going to shred them up real well. We're going to rinse a 14-ounce can of chickpeas, and then we're going to mash those chickpeas. Well, we're going to leave some type of, holy moly. Let's just mash it with a fork. It's safer and easier. Using the chickpeas will give the crab cake a little more body and substance, kind of like more meatier. And when you blend it with the hearts of palm, it'll make it feel more like a crab texture in your mouth. So in a large bowl, I'll add the chickpeas with the hearts of palm. That way I can free up the bowl so I can cut up our veggies and put those in them as well. Next, we're gonna need 1/4 cup each of celery, red bell peppers, and parsley. Okay, so next we're gonna just add those veggies to the bowl and give that a light toss. Next to the bowl, we'll add 1/4 cup of vegan mayo and a tablespoon of mustard, Dijon mustard or regular mustard. 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning or a seafood seasoning. A 4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Or you can use gluten-free breadcrumbs as well. Let's get that all mixed up. Kind of toss it nicely. You get it mixed up, but you don't want it to make it mushy. So kind of like toss it to get it incorporated. Hey guys, ever wonder how to make plant-based eating effortless? Well, my 30-day plant-based meal plan is the answer for you. With over 39 plant-based recipes, it takes the guesswork out of mealtime, saving you time and ensuring that you enjoy nourishing meals every day. So let's simplify healthy eating together. So I'm going to take a 1/3 cup measure because this is the size of crab cakes that we like. But you can make your crab cakes any size you desire. And we're going to coat it with the panko breadcrumbs so you can get that crunchy exterior, okay? You want to press the breadcrumbs in so that it sticks really well. I didn't press that one together good enough in my hand first, so it's kind of falling apart. That's why you gotta definitely compress it together in your hand first, or it will start falling apart. But the good thing is it does come right back together. All you gotta do is press it through and just shape it. Add a little bit more breadcrumb on the outside on the parts that doesn't have the breadcrumb on it, because you want it to all be nice and crispy. There you go. I'm going to finish up the rest of these and then I'll show you how I fry them up. I have my cast iron skillet all heated up and I add about 2 tablespoons of oil to it so that I can fry up the cakes. Cook the crab cakes for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So our crab cakes are all cooked up and looking golden and crunchy, and so I'm gonna make a spicy mayo to go with it real fast, all right? So there's no measurements here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of vegan mayonnaise to the bowl, and then you just put as much sriracha as you like on it. Like I like about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half to maybe a quarter cup to a half a cup of mayonnaise, and just mix it all up. Okay, so our crab cakes are all done and we're gonna give it a try. First I'm gonna try it without the sauce. Let me show you what it looks like when I cut inside. See that flakiness? That's why you wanna keep them as strips, see? It's really good, guys. With the flavor combinations of the celery and the bell peppers and the spices, makes it taste just like a crab cake, or at least close enough. So I think you guys will really love this recipe. Give it a try, and if you do, let me know. You can find this recipe on my website, and the link is in the description. And on my website, you also can find a bunch of other cookbooks that are delicious, plant-based. And let me know if you give it a try or buy one of the cookbooks, and share on social media with the hashtag #TheDivineChef. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It helps a lot, and give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithms to get the videos out there for other people who can actually watch them as well and enjoy good plant-based food. And it also supports my channel, guys. So whenever you can, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I appreciate that, guys, because it's such a blessing to have you here with me and want to try out my new recipe. So with that being said, I am Rosa, and I will see you on the next video. Bye now.